Hi, welcome to the Indy E6 product rundown video of the FREEMAX GEMM 80-watt kit. This kit is a little bit different than most of the other kits because you actually get these disposable tanks. It's pre-built with a coil and fully ready to go. All you gotta do is fill it up with juice and screw it on top. To use the GEMM 80-watt kit, all you're gonna do is click this button 5 times to turn it on and off, and it's gotta be fast. After you have it turned on, you just take your disposable tank, screw it onto the top, and then you're gonna fill it through a little silicone hole on the top. That makes it really easy so that you don't have to take the tank off the device every time you want to fill it. This does have 3 different heat settings. Low is 40 watt, medium is 60 watt, and high is 80 watts. You're gonna change that by hitting this button 3 times really fast. Almost like you're turning it on and off, but only hit it 3 times instead of 5. To charge it, all you're gonna need is a micro USB cable. This is an internal battery device, so you don't need any external batteries or external battery chargers. So again, very, very easy. Coming in at $30, it's a really well-priced kit. Any issues you might have with it, if it's not charging properly, you might have accidentally broken off something in the charging port. Check that, make sure that it's not pushed back farther than it needs to be. The only other issue that you would really face is just a loss of connection. And that can happen if you have dirty contact pins in here and right there on the bottom of the tank. Or if something goes wrong in the plate down here. So just make sure you clean those off regularly. Sometimes if you've used one of these for a very long time, the coil can go bad and it will not fire the way it should. That's about it for the GEMM 80-watt kit. If you have any other questions, feel free to call into any of our stores or email the warehouse.